Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Kim. I am an artist at heart and I also do embroidery now. I am relatively new to it, but I am learning and I'm learning quite quickly, and I'd like to share with you some of the things that I've learned. Now I'm going to quickly show you a short tutorial on how to put a design into your PE Design 11 program, or any PE design program I should think works roughly the same. And just give you a couple of basics, okay, for those of you that don't already know this. So I'm going to do a bunny design. All right, I'm going to bring a bunny in. I'm going to quickly do that. I've set my hoop size first of all, okay, with this little button up here. Let me zoom in a bit. Right, there we go. So up here, so I've clicked on that. I've got my hoop size. I've put it onto my multi-needle. Got my hoop size at 200 by 200 because I use an 8 by 9 mighty hoop. And okay, well, it's already on it, so I don't need to mess about that. Right, so there's basically going to be my hoop. I'm going to bring a bunny in. I'm going to have a 5 by 7 bunny in, although I'm going to change the size to show you how to change sizes of designs without ruining the stitch, basically how it stitches out, okay? So what you would do is you would click on the corner here and then Control CTRL, push that button down on your keypad and you'll see a little box come up, okay, with stitches in it. Now that is there so that it shows you that the stitches are going to compensate for the size that you change your design to. So if I made it bigger, it would put more stitches in. If I make it smaller, it would take stitches away, okay? So basically it's telling you that the design will be as perfect as it was made when it was a 5 by 7, okay? So I've changed the size of my little bunny. I'm going to put him up here. Well, I'm going to put him about here for a minute. May make him a little bit bigger actually. So button down on the cursor over the corner, Control, and then with your thing pull out, okay? There we go, stitches all correct and intact. Now I'm going to bring a number 3 in because I'm going to do an applique 3. So I'm going to go back over to my little corner over here. I'm going to click on my file bit there, and over here we have a box. I'm going to go, I think it's up here, applique numbers, here we go. Right, so I'm going to go into that. I want a number 3, so there we go. PES. I downloaded everything for the applique numbers because I just couldn't be bothered to search through. It was being lazy really. But I don't need to have all these different stitch files, you know, EXP, HUS, because I don't use that. I use the PES for my brother machine. Bring that across, right, okay, there we go. Right, here they are. Right, I'm going to go for a 6-inch one, bring it over. There we go, put that in my box. Right, and I'm going to make that smaller. So again, I'm going to hold down the corner, Control, and move up, okay? So the stitches will all be correct. Right, I think that's pretty good. I quite like that. So I'm going to select all of it a minute. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to quickly show you, because if I wanted to overlap, sometimes it's nice to overlap your like your characters over the numbers. It just gives it that little bit of, I don't know. Sometimes I've seen shirts made out there with say the bunny over a little bit over the 3, but if I tried that now and moved it, hang on, right, click on that, come on, right, and moved it over, it goes underneath the 3. Okay, so for those of you that are new to all this, you know, you're still learning as well. So but for those of you that already know this, I do apologise. This is for newbies out there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've selected the bunny. Okay, so now all here, look, it's all selected there. Okay, and I'm going to go up to this little corner here. It's got here sewing order. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go down to sew last, and now you'll see it's moved it underneath the 3. Okay, so just click that off a minute. Right, there we go. So now if I move that bunny over the 3, there we go, it's gone over the 3 now. Okay, So that's how you would move things under and over. So I'm going to move him back. I am not going to have him over, simply because this satin stitch here, if I remember the design correctly that I purchased off of Etsy, it's not a satin stitch as such. It's a different kind of stitch altogether, but it's effective. It looks really nice. I like it. Right, there we go. So there's our little bunny and our number 3, and I'm going to leave it at that. Do I want to make him a bit bigger? Do you know, I think I might just make him a bit bigger. So to do that again, we're going to have to go like so. Right, and I'm going to move him over a tad because I don't want him. There we go. I might have to make this whole design smaller once it's on my machine so it fits in the hoop, okay, because my hoop's an 8x9, okay, so but that doesn't matter. Once it's on the machine you can shrink it so much anyway without it affecting the stitches. All right, so I assume I'm right there. I'm pretty sure I'm right, but anyway, there you go. Right, corner, click, control, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. There we go. And centre him up a bit. I don't want him down too low. We'll centre him up there. Okay, now I'm going to ungroup him because I don't want that bunny overlapping. So click on the bunny and move him across. There we go. Right, move him up a little bit because he's not level with the 3. Still too high. Right, hang on. Let's arrange them again. Sorry, let's select all again. So I'm going to go up and select them all. Let's go to select. Select all. I'm going to go over to group them again. I'm just going to move them over a little bit. There we go, a little bit more. Right, that's going to do for me. I'm going to leave it at that. Right, go and get my USB and then I'm going to send it to that. And that is it for today. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to. The more positive it is, the better it is for me, I suppose. And I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be a tutorial of this. Using some of my new fabric. I might use some of the, I've got some bunny fabric, so I might use that in the applique for the number 3. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.